Hey everyone! Do you have a lot of Tuya devices and want to manage them quickly right from your computer? In this video, I'll show you how to download and use the Tuya Smart app directly on your PC. Stick around. They don't have an official desktop app, but they do have an Android version, so we're going to use an emulator. You can find it right on our website. Let's sign up to get full access to all the app's features. You can also just log in if you already have an account. Okay, now that we're signed up and in the main menu, we can check out how to add a device, as well as play around with the built-in AI features. By the way, right now they're offering a subscription with 2,000 credits absolutely free, so make sure to hurry up. Thanks for watching my short tutorial. Don't forget to visit our website to download the emulator. See you in the next video.